The VAS 400 strap clamp from Bessey makes it easy to clamp frames, boxes, and other cumbersome projects quickly and accurately. It comes with 3 movable corner guides that can be positioned anywhere along the 12-foot strap to accommodate most any project. Each side of the head is fitted with a cam clamp to lock the strap once adjusted. So both ends of the strap are drawn evenly by turning the 2K composite handle. This provides equal force at all contact points along the strap. The strap can be used without the corner guides to secure parts of all sizes and shapes. The clamping action at the head ensures that the strap is drawn from both ends, maintaining even pressure, whatever the shape. The strap of the VAS 400 is also compatible with Bessey's VAC6 Vario corner clips. These are accessories that can be purchased separately and allow for applying even pressure on corners with angles from 60 to 180 degrees. Bessey's VAS 400 strap clamp is an economical and efficient method of clamping parts of many different shapes, sizes, and angles. You'll want to have a set on hand for your next project.